morning everyone. We welcome you in the series of helping about the knee and shoulder problem. You have already seen lot of videos of our arthroscopy related issues. This video we are making in English to address more and more population of India and abroad. We welcome Mr. Rahul today, who has gone through this surgery. Let me first ask about how the Rahul come to know about this problem, how this everything started, how he got injured, and how he come to know about knee and about the ACL problem. So Rahul, from which place you belong?
I stay in Patna.
You have to see to the camera.
I stay in Patna, but I'm from Hyderabad. Last 2.5 years I'm staying in Hyderabad.
So how you injured your knee?
While playing badminton, my knee got twisted and I got ligament tear. So so I fell down while playing itself.
So when you fell down, what problem you felt? Like you were able to walk or not?
My knee became unstable. I could not able to walk properly. So few of my friends helped me to walk that time. After that, I have consulted one of doctors in Hyderabad itself. So he suggested to go for an MRI and a 3-week bed rest. So instantly I go for an MRI. But later via YouTube, I was looking for some more help. So I found Dr. Naveen Sharma YouTube videos. So that was really helpful and convincing. So I just contacted him with the WhatsApp Health program. So he has started. There I got to know, he suggested to me to have an MRI at least 4 weeks after the surgery. It should not be within the 24 hours. So again I have to go for a surgery after 4 weeks. So there I got the clear idea what happened in my knee. So basically it was a ACL tear along with the meniscus. So
just I want to interrupt Mr. Rahul. So I want to emphasize on this point very much that the MRI should not be done within 24 or 48 hours of the injury. Unless your doctor thinks that there is some emergency, there is some blockage of vessel or any nerve compression, in that case we have to go for an emergency MRI. Otherwise, we should wait for at least 14 to 28 days for an MRI to be done. Why? Because MRI may show some false signals and you can get confused that there are so many structures which are torn. So as in the case of Rahul, he has immediately gone through an MRI and he became very scared. When he come across my online help channel, I try to counsel him that there is nothing to be worried about, nothing to be panicked, because ACL is a very simple injury and can be treated with very small procedure. Initially, I told him about some exercise which he started immediately to make sure that his knee does not get stiff. Once his all swelling and everything was gone, we planned his surgery in Jaipur in Apollo Hospital. So Rahul, how was your experience in surgery? When people are scared that there is some injection on the backside and all that painful procedure, so how painful it was for you?
For me, I don't feel any kind of pain. There was just a pinch of injection, means you'll feel the at the back of your spinal cord. After that, the surgery will go very smooth. You will not have to go in a complete sleep. Only the lower portion will be anesthetized, and then this operation will be happen properly. So no problem for me.
From 1 to 10, how much pain you will felt you say that you felt during surgery?
Frankly speaking, I didn't feel a pain at all.
Okay, so you said that it's a painless surgery.
Yeah, completely painless.
So now this is 48 hours past surgery. I'm explaining some exercise for the rehabilitation. You can see these exercises. These are the normal exercise which a person do after an ACL surgery. So this is a long knee brace. This type of knee brace is given for 6 weeks. Patient has to wear them during lying down position as well as when he is walking. Otherwise, when he is awake and sitting properly, he can remove this brace also. So Rahul, please open this brace. So you can see there is very tiny bandage. You can hardly feel there is any bandage over the knee, and swelling is also there, but that swelling will going to reduce slowly. So we are applying ice over this so that the swelling will go down within a 6 week or 8 week times. Now Rahul, I am going to explain you 3 exercises. You can see that the thigh diameter is already getting reduced. This is because the quadriceps start weakening after the ACL injury. So within 1 month time, you can see that the quadriceps muscles are quite weak. So we have to work to make quadriceps muscle strong. So how we can do this? So you have to keep a hand below it and then count 10 and press my hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. So this is the exercise to make your quadriceps stronger and the thigh thicker again. This exercise you have to do at least 100 to 200 times daily. This you can do with brace or without brace both. The other exercise is knee bending exercise. So you have to keep your both hands just to support your thigh and pull your ankle towards yourself. And daily you have to increase this bending to 10 degree to make sure that at least 90 degree is bending there up to the 15 days, and within 1.5 months you will achieve full knee bending. Okay. So you can see that knee bending is started from 48 hours itself. We don't wait for 2 weeks or 4 weeks for knee bending to start. Otherwise your knee can become more and more stiff. The third exercise which you have to do, Rahul, is to keep your which is called straight leg raising exercise. Okay. So for straight leg raising exercise, this has to be done with the knee brace on it. Remember that straight leg raising after ACL surgery should not be done without a knee brace. So Rahul, please lie down. Okay. Now try to lift your leg. So you can see that he is not able to lift his leg right now, but he will keep trying, and within 10 to 15 days he will be able to lift his leg. So these are the three most important exercises which you have to start immediately 24 to 48 hours after ACL surgery. So Rahul, please sit down. So these are the three exercises, Rahul, which you have to do, and we have described you few medications which you have to take, which is including antibiotics, painkiller, and some acidity medicines. These medicines will be there for around 2 weeks, and after 2 weeks or around 15 to 17 days you can get your stitches removed, and after that you can take bath and everything. Right now also you can take bath, but you have to make ensure that this thing does not get wet. So you can wear a polythene cap and then you can take bath also. So friends, this is about the ACL information. Rahul, how was your personal experience about all this thing, and how will you recommend these things for the other patients who are going through ACL injury?
Yeah, I will recommend everyone to at least have a consultation with Dr. Naveen Sharma, so you will get a clear idea about it and will get all the confusions got clear in your head. That's all I can say. So you must talk to once Dr. Naveen Sharma, and then I am hopefully that everyone will be okay with this ACL problem which they are having.
So today is the 31st. It was a terrible year because of the corona issue. I hope that the next year will be the better one. I wish Rahul every best. Congratulations from my side that he will recover very soon, and soon he will start playing badminton again. Happy New Year to all of the persons who are watching this video. We wish you all the best. Thank you.